So ladies and gentlemen, these can be dangerous, these earthquakes, after these plate tectonics riding on each other, trying to find the new place and new stability, and then these earthquakes can be dangerous. So ladies and gentlemen, what I'm trying to tell you, that the more time period these earthquakes, plate tectonics, they will create more of havoc and breaking of the buildings. And the more the intensity means how much beneath the surface of the earth these earthquakes are. You just see on 12th April, and between 12th April and 29th May, these 6 earthquakes happened in Delhi between the Richter scale of 3.5 to 4.5, 8 kilometer beneath the surface of the earth in East Delhi on 12th April. On 29th May, it was in Rohtak, just 3.5 kilometers beneath the earth. So, ladies and gentlemen, these 90% of the Delhi, as I told you, is very unsafe. Central Delhi and South Delhi, they are basically mostly made on rocks. They can be slightly safer, but then you know that East Delhi, the buildings which are made on Yamuna belt means that there are not rocks, they are the riverbed material on which they are made. They can maybe more prone to just swinging and maybe damage to the buildings because of this movement of plates. Ladies and gentlemen, the point is that what is the message? What is the solution is that key is that be vigilant, ladies and gentlemen. During the initial period of 5 seconds, just go out to an open space, to a ground. Don't linger on, otherwise we will be in big trouble and these buildings will just fall on us only. And if you are having something, that some table or something, dining table, just try to hide beneath that. If there is no reason, you don't get opportunity to escape, otherwise the escaping is the first things. And do the insurance of the buildings, and build the homes on sound footing and foundation. As I told you, the raft foundations are very important. They are useful. And the tie beams of the columns, they can safeguard us, ladies and gentlemen. That's just giving an